the island. This is me. Let's see how many people there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 people on the island. There are 12 people on the island. There is an information center. There is a supermarket. There is a dress shop. There is a museum. There is a campsite and there is an airport. What a lovely island! Look what I found! Uh-oh! There is a present on the ground. I found it! Yay! There is a present on the ground. There is a cup on the table. There is a teapot on the table. There are some apples on the trees. There are 3 yellow birds on the message board. I am in the aquarium. There are some fish in the aquarium. There are some fish in the aquarium. There is a snowman in the park. There are 2 raccoons in the shop. Did you enjoy? I enjoyed very much walking around with you. See you later, alligator!